I'm leaving for Greece today for an entire month, so welcome to episode 1 of my travel diaries. In this video, we are going to pack together for my Greece vacation. My entire floor is filled with clothes, accessories, pool floaties, anything. And I'm going to take you guys through the airport with us while we fly to Greece. So I'll be bringing this ginormous pink suitcase and my carry-on. I want to put my clothes in my carry-on and have my suitcase, and then the other half of my suitcase, my toiletries, my shoes, and accessories. This is a new suitcase, so I don't want to hear no comments about why is your suitcase on your bed. The first step in the packing series is to make a packing list. Now, I already did this because I know that if I didn't, I would definitely forget really important things. In the day, I'll be wearing my flowy white shorts and some basic tank tops or a beach cover-up. These are the shorts that I'm going to bring. I'm going to bring these shorts. I want to bring a pair of denim shorts. These Levi's ones that are thinner and more breathable. These really old vintage Wrangler ones, but these are more like a dark blue. We're going to do hiking, so I'm going to bring my Lululemon shorts. I have some comfy shorts from Randy. Gray skirt from Garage. This is like a very nice casual day skirt. Really good for like if we go to the beach just to throw over. Now we're gonna do skirts. So I have this really long maxi skirt from Hollister. Now let's do beach cover-ups. So I have this really pretty one from Shein. It's just like a long sleeve and then you can tie it here. This is because I'm really sensitive to the sun and I get like sun rashes. I got this rash guard for if we do any like excursions. It's just like a zip up and I can throw it over my bikini. It's really pretty like shawl to cover my butt if I'm going on like a walk on the beach. Let's do tops. So I want to bring some basic tank tops for the day and then some nicer tops for the evening. So let's do evening ones first. I have this halter top from Brandy Melville. This flowy peplum top as well from Brandy. Blue one from Brandy Melville. Black tube top from Aritzia. Pretty taupe tank top from Abercrombie. Really pretty top from Aritzia. Now for casual tops. Polka dot one. This is perfect in the daytime. Breezy top from Zara. This would be great with a bikini underneath. I need a top to go hiking in, so I have this tank top. This workout top, this blue peplum top. I don't know how people do this, guys. I have so many clothes that I want to bring. Now let's move on to cardigans. This navy one from Brandy. Sleep dress from Brandy. Super cute. I have this sleep dress from Amazon. Satin Victoria's Secret set. Okay, now we have to do bikinis. I tried on a bunch of bikinis, and the ones that I really like, I probably have about 8 pairs. Because bikinis can get very knotted and messy, I got these like travel bags from Shein, so you can kind of like zip them up, and this is what I'm going to use to organize all my bikinis. Bikinis are done, and I'm just going to put my bikinis right here. I'm now going to do my bra and underwear. Same concept. I'm going to put it all in this little thing. We're going to do accessories. So this is my beach towel. I feel like this is so Greek. It's just, I love it. It's giving Mamma Mia. And to make this as thin as possible, I'm going to lay this on the base of the suitcase. Now we're going to do shoes. So I have my Havaianas. I have my Havaianas. Or Havaiana. I have my nighttime white sandals, black sandals for nighttime as well, and my Birkenstocks, but they're downstairs. 2 bags. I've got my beach bag. This is from La Vie en Rose. This is my evening purse. It's gonna look better once it's like stuffed. This is what it's looking like right now. We still need to do my skincare, makeup, and body care. Put all my makeup in here. This is currently like my lip balms, but I'm going to clean this out and fill this with my makeup. This is where I keep all my favorite makeup. Rode blush, Rare Beauty blush, Rare Beauty bronzer, Rare Beauty under eye brightener, Rare Beauty tinted moisturizer, some blenders, some puff pads, eyebrow gel, highlighter, another Rode blush in Sleepy Girl, L'Oreal Lumi Glow drops, freckle pen, Benefit Benetton eyelash curler. I also want to bring mascara. For brush, I'm going to bring like small ones, so this one from Say. Okay, makeup is done. Let's move on to skincare. Okay. So I want to put all of like shampoo and stuff in here, but I want to first put it in a plastic bag just in case it leaks. For shampoo, I'm going to bring the Redken curl cream, sunscreen, Color Wow, Kerastase. This is what I'm using for travel hair care. Okay, besties, I'm all packed up, going to the airport. I'm gonna show you my airport fit in a second, but I'm gonna be smelling like Sol de Janeiro 68. My plane did get delayed an hour, which definitely sucks, but I can't wait to get a Starbucks pink drink at the airport and check in. We made it through security and now we're gonna get Starbucks, probably, right? We have like 3 hours until we have to board. The Starbucks was $16 for 2 drinks.
It was free for her.
I got a pink drink from Starbucks and Misha got a chai tea latte. They changed our gate, so we have to like walk across the airport to our gate, but honestly this area is like kind of sketchy, so hopefully that one's better.
It's depressing. Look at it.
It is actually very depressing down there.
Now we have over there, we have
Like the
Starbucks, we have the bars, we have the seats with the plugs in it.
Yeah.
So I packed sandwiches and 2 sandwiches each. And what else did I pack? I packed snacks, good snacks. She packed 3 Ringolos and 3 sour cream and onion chips.
My snacks are better. You packed like healthy stuff.
No, I did not. I packed Gushers, pizza goldfish, honey Teddy Grahams, and
all of that is so nasty. Nasty. You're plating it nicely?
which one's that?
Birthday cake.
We got 3 cake pops because our flight was delayed. For what? Wait, yo, you gotta explain to them. Our flight was delayed for what? 2 hours and 15 minutes, and they gave us each a $15 voucher for meals, and she went with my voucher and bought 3 cake pops.
But we already got Starbucks, so I don't have any use for them. So I just got the cake pops.
Yeah.
It's like falling off.
So pops, what are the flavors? What's that?
Birthday cake? They didn't have strawberry.
Birthday cake. What's this one?
Chocolate and cookies
Chocolate and cookies and cream. Now I saw when I was buying the Starbucks, $16 a Starbucks, that they had a lemon one, and she knows I like lemon. She knows
They had lemon.
Yeah, she knows I like lemon, but you see, now she knows. 8 years. 8
Not
years.
lemon enough to choose a lemon cake off over cookies and cream and chocolate. That's valid.
No, I would take lemon over cookies and
Try
chocolate.
birthday cake. Small. That's like small right. It's actually so rude.
What do I do?
That's like this is my only one I like. Cookies and cream. Me first. Ready?
Ooh, chocolate inside. It's delicious, guys. I would trade cookies and cream for the lemon one. Say, rate them all.
Birthday cake and then chocolate.
Okay.
And cookies and cream were equally terrible.
You can't do that. Which
Okay,
one's?
chocolate then cookies and cream. To Naxos and in our hotel. The hotel room is gorgeous. This is what it looks like. It's the perfect size for me and Misha. Now we slept on the plane because our plane got delayed and we had to run from our main flight to our connecting flight because our plane got delayed like 4 hours. So the last 3 hours has been so hectic, but because we slept on our 10-hour flight, we're not tired and it's 9 p.m. here, so we're just gonna go walk around, explore the town a bit. I'm just wearing this really comfy romper from Garage. This is gonna be the end of the pack with me and episode 1 of my travel diaries. I love you guys so much. Make sure to follow and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog because tomorrow is gonna be our first day in Greece.